So today we're going to be talking about copywriting secrets and how to create an effective copy for your ads. Basically, I will be showing you real ads. Although this is a mock-up ad, we've tested it and it works really well. So we start by calling out our best areas. So that's the area where your business is. If you have that, if you're not online only, but sometimes when you're online, I will recommend you to target specific cities and locations and still call out city and location. After that, we are talking about our offer, and we already worked out what the offer is. So we describe our offer here. After that, we create honest scarcity that incentivizes to fast act. So that means that you need to work out how many new members you can handle each and every month, and say that in your copy. And then you need to have some sort of call to action so that people understand that they need to act quickly in order to get your offer. And then you need to work on your headline. Headline is something that the people in Facebook see first. So when they're scrolling through their news feed, they actually see the image and then they see the headline, and that's what makes the whole ad work. So it's really important. You can see here, for example, Miami yogis. If it's a yoga ad, then we call out the area and we call out people who are interested in attending yoga classes, and then we offer them a voucher. It's not free, that's why there is no free in wording. I will say how many vouchers left. And then they scroll up and expand. There is 3 dots after 2 lines. So there's 3 dots. When they click, they will see the rest of the text. The layout of the Insta ads is slightly different, but it works in approximately the same way. So this is the next ad, and this ad is a real ad, except I just did a mock-up for the image. Everything else is just as it's been running, and we had really good results with it. So call out the location, attention, and then you call out your location, the suburb that your business is in. And we're saying we're doing something amazing to promote yoga and fitness, or to promote whatever you're promoting. There could be boxing, Pilates, dance, gym, and then you say the name of your business, and that you're giving away so many passes for a completely whatever your offer is. Click get offer to claim your spot, and then get offer and get offer, they match in here. So it's important that whatever button you choose later on when you're doing the ads is the same here. And after that, we do the headline, get your free class, and that what makes people stop when they're scrolling. They understand, okay, it's something about yoga and there is a free class on a giveaway. In the actual ad, we had a team, the whole team of that business standing in front of the studio, and this is what worked really well. Okay, so you can see it's about 330 likes in this particular ad. This one ad has brought us over 600 leads, I believe, up to now, for 3.5 months running the same ad since we set it up. And there was numerous memberships signed up right from this ad. Okay, so you can adapt it and use it for yourself. I will be providing a swipe file, and with the swipe file you can take the copy from the swipe file and use it for your ads, but please make sure to change everything accordingly. Next section, we cover something that is really important to know. So you're not a Facebook marketer and you decided to run Facebook ads. Unfortunately, the big part of running Facebook ads is knowing Facebook algorithms and following Facebook rules. So please do yourself a favor and go and acquaint yourself with some of the Facebook rules and whatever you need to know. Usually they are all on Facebook, and Facebook even has a free course. Let me know if you're interested. I will send you the link, or maybe update the notes at some stage when I come across it, so you can watch the course and really get get adjusted to what Facebook requirements are. But to quickly speak about those that are related to the fitness industry in some way, Facebook hates when you mention Facebook, just because they don't have any relationship with your business, and that's a big no-no. So never say Facebook in your copy. Never show before and after photos, especially for fitness industry. It would be so nice, but no, you cannot do it. Facebook doesn't like it at all. Be careful with your language, because Facebook algorithm can read anything, even hidden. Of course, avoiding excessive symbols, any kind of punctuation that looks overly, exciting. Capitalization is the same. Like, be more or less normal in your text. Do not be, too vivid, too obvious, trying to stop people from what they're doing too much. Yes, if you're deceptive or exaggerated, that's unfortunately that's a big no, and that's going to lead you into banning your ad account. And these are some examples. 3 shocking tips to lose all your belly fat. That's a big claim, right? 1 crazy tip to lose weight. No, they hate everything weight loss. Is probably you have to be really careful about it. And something if you are mentioning money or profits or any kind of that stuff. Even the word you have to be specifically careful about the word you, and don't use the word you too many times. Maybe 1 or 2 times is fine, but if you're saying you and then you're calling out a particular type of the audience, that's a big no-no. Okay, so if I am scrolling through the Facebook feed and someone says, hey, I know you run a Facebook advertising agency, things like that, for me as an advertiser it's fine. But if the normal users, they look at it, it's a little bit shocking that we know that we are advertising to a particular category of people. So it's a big no-no. Therefore, to say single mom or anything related to the race or age or relationship status or anything like that. I will be updating the links in the notes, but you can find all of this information in the internet and read more articles, or even search on YouTube for more videos about it. But that should be enough for you to just cover how to stay out of the trouble with Facebook and not to use those things in your copy. With regards to the swipe file, it will be uploaded, so make sure you rewrite the copy from the swipe file. If you're unsure about the copy, you're always welcome to send it back to us, and we will have a look at it and tell you what we think. And if we think the copy needs any of the adjustments or revisions, just follow the guidelines and everything that was laid out in the copy like I showed you, and you should be fine. Just remember that copywriting is usually a very expensive skill, and it's a skill and an art at the same time. If you would like to learn more about copywriting, I recommend that you look at the book Copywriting Secrets by Jim Edwards. There are many more books that you can read. I just recommend something that will be simple and practical to use in a day-to-day basis for your business. Alright, have fun with your copy, and bye for now.